Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best pendant trays is probably one of the most versatile components in jewelry making, offering endless possibilities for customization. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a budding enthusiast, selecting the right pendant tray can significantly elevate your creations. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of pendant trays, exploring various styles, materials, and design considerations to help you choose the perfect ones for your next project. Number 5. Aenezus 90 PCS Pendant Trays Set with Glass Cabochons. This Aenezus set is perfect for jewelry making. It includes everything you need to create beautiful pendants. It's a great way to start your own jewelry projects. The set features pendant trays in 5 different styles. You'll find round, teardrop, square, heart, and elliptical mirror shapes. Each style comes in silver and bronze. Inside, you'll discover 30 bezel pendant trays, 30 glass cabochon dome tiles, and 30 necklace cords. This provides a wide variety of options for your jewelry designs. The included black necklace cords are made of strong, waxed cotton. Each cord is 18 inches long, with an extra 2-inch extender chain. This allows you to adjust the length up to 20 inches. The pendant trays are approximately 1 inch in size. This makes them ideal for pendants, bracelets, necklaces, keychains, and other jewelry projects. They are versatile. These pendant trays and cords are great for custom jewelry. You can use them for cameo pendants, crafts, photo jewelry, and resin projects. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This set offers a fantastic variety of styles, including round, teardrop, and more. It comes with everything you need to get started, from the trays to the cords. If you're looking for a diverse selection to fuel your creativity, this is the perfect choice. You'll love how easy it is to create unique pieces with this set. What people say. Made from stainless steel, so I trust that it won't turn out they're beautiful, especially when I add my touch to them. My artist works are fine detailed and fit very well, thank God. I love their varieties, it gives choices for many friends and family. I really like the variety of the shapes. Good quality too. I use these when making jewelry. The glass covers are nice when I make a botanical piece. Number 4. Csdtylh H210 PCS Pendant Trays Kit. This kit includes everything you need to create beautiful necklaces. It comes with pendant trays in various colors, glass dome tiles, and necklace cords. It's a complete set for all your jewelry making needs. The pendant trays are made of durable alloy with stylish electroplating. The glass fits perfectly, and the waxed cotton cords are strong. This ensures your creations will last. These trays are perfect for all ages and a variety of projects. Use them to make necklaces, keychains, earrings, or custom pendants. You can even add your own paint designs. The trays are the ideal size for pictures and designs. They are fun to work with, and the finished products look fantastic. The glass and trays fit together seamlessly. We are here to help with any questions about the product. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we will respond quickly to resolve any issues. We aim to provide excellent service with this kit. What we like? With a large quantity of trays, cabochons, and cords, this kit ensures you won't run out anytime soon. The high-quality alloy material and stylish colors add a touch of elegance to your creations. If you're a serious jewelry maker or planning a crafting session with friends, this kit provides everything you need to make a lot of jewelry. You can make a lot of jewelry with it. What people say. I've bought similar products for making keychains. I buy the 1-inch sublimation disc in a separate order and use UV resin. This makes it cheaper and works just as good. Great quality. Perfect for making pendants. I use mine to make pendants of loved ones. I created my image as is 0.98 inch round, but you may have to test what works for you. I am a fluid artist, using these to create minimal waste jewelry from the leftover paint. Hands down, it is my top-selling item at markets and shows. The colors come through the glass perfectly, and the material is sturdy. Each piece is unique, and customers love them, often buying one at some point and another later on for someone who has complimented it. Number 3. Ilovediybeads 25mm Stainless Steel Pendant Trays. These are stainless steel round blank bezel pendant trays. They are perfect for jewelry making and DIY projects. You can use them to create unique pendants. The trays fit various round cabochons, from 6 mm to 30 mm. This allows for a wide range of design possibilities. You can choose the perfect size for your project. Made of stainless steel, this product is nickel, lead, and allergy-free. It won't fade, ensuring your creations last. It's a durable and reliable choice. These trays are ideal for creating cameo pendants. Simply paste cabochons of the appropriate size into the settings. It's a great way to personalize your jewelry. This product is suitable for various crafts and jewelry projects. You can make cameo pendants, photo jewelry, or resin art. The possibilities are endless. With 20 pieces included, it's great for groups or parties. It makes a wonderful gift for anyone who enjoys crafting. This is a versatile and fun product. What we like. Made from stainless steel, this product is durable and nickel-free, perfect for those with sensitive skin. It offers a variety of sizes to fit your specific needs. If you prioritize quality and want a hypoallergenic option, this is the one for you. This is a great choice for creating long-lasting and safe jewelry. What people say. Worked perfectly for my project and a great deal. These are true to size, a good value and nice and sturdy. They are super cute and durable. They do not tarnish and keeps a great shine. Number 2. Lind Kitchen 25 mm round bezel pendant trays. These pendant trays are made of high-quality alloy, ensuring they are sturdy and durable. This means they will last a long time, perfect for your crafting needs. The design is simple, smooth, and textured, so it will never go out of style. It's suitable for most jewelry and craft accessories, making it a versatile choice. This product is convenient to use and very practical. It meets your needs for jewelry making and other crafting purposes, making your work easier. These trays are suitable for jewelry making, cameo pendants, and photo jewelry. You can use it in many ways, letting your creativity flow. The package includes 25 round bezel pendant trays. The color is ancient silver, which gives it a classic look. Get yours today and start creating. What we like. Made of high-quality alloy, this product is sturdy and durable, ensuring your creations last. The simple design is timeless and versatile, suitable for various projects. If you appreciate a classic look and ease of use, this is the ideal choice. You'll find it perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. What people say. Excellent and easy to mount resins in. Great quality, shiny silver. Purchase glass cabochons separately as well as images from Etsy and made necklaces and pendants with my 7 and 11 years old nieces. We had so much fun and it was easy for both of them to do it on their own after I showed them how one example. I also purchased a 1-inch hole punch for the images I printed on photo paper and cardstock. Images came out brighter on photo paper. Used B7000 glue. Perfect for the necklaces I'm doing 25 mm size, nice quality. Everything came nicely packaged in small boxes. Number 1. M11620 PCS Oval Bezel Pendant Base Trays. These trays are perfect for creating unique pendants. They are designed to hold 18 by 25 mm oval cabochons, allowing you to showcase your creativity. Available in antique bronze and antique silver, it offers a classic look. The zinc alloy material ensures it's lead and nickel-free, safe for everyone. With a 18 by 25 mm oval frame, it's ideal for various cabochons. You can easily paste your favorite designs to make personalized pendants. These trays are great for jewelry making. It's suitable for parties or groups, offering a wide array of styles for all interests. It fits most jewelry and crafts of different colors. You can make jewelry, crafts, cameo pendants, photo jewelry, resin, or something else with it. What we like. This product features an elegant oval shape, perfect for unique pendant designs. It comes in mixed colors, offering versatility for your projects. If you enjoy creating distinctive jewelry with a touch of sophistication, this is the perfect choice. You'll love how it elevates your designs. What people say. These pendant trays worked wonderfully for necklaces. I placed book pages in them as artwork and covered with glass cabochons, and they look high-end and expensive. They are selling very well for me. Oval bezel pendant, really pretty details. Bought them to use as dollhouse picture wall frames. I used pliers to snap off the hanging loop. I got quite a lot in the package. Pendants are a nice weight. Shipped quickly. I loved this product. Use them to attach to ribbon bookmarks. I was able to put pictures in them which delighted the recipients of the bookmarks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.